Alrighty, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I figured I would start another video right now because I got some things that are chilling behind the camera that came in the mail, and I'm waiting on a few other things that probably won't be here for a little while. So I figured I would just come up with another video for you guys, and we'll run down to the car and I'll dive into those things that I got a little bit more. So let's go do that. Alright, so I got the things that I got are chilling behind the car, and I figured I would just go over the little things that I got first. Nothing too crazy. And then the third thing's kind of the main thing. So yeah. So as you guys may know, I have been trying to do this for a little while now, and I finally grabbed the paint to do it, and I'll be painting my brake calipers the anodized blue or whatever, like the same blue as the TDI. And then I grabbed some full ceramic brake pads for the front, and then I'm going to be picking up some for the rear, and I'll probably save this and this for another video. I'm mostly going to dive in to what I have sitting over here. Here we have our Z-Spec design engine bay dress-up kit. I've already opened it up just because I wanted to take a look. I was super antsy, and I'm stoked on this. I'm so stoked. Over 230 pieces for like everything you see in the engine bay. Yes, it says Mk6 GTI, but obviously, you know, they're all like the same bolts. Volkswagen and Audi, they all use like the same bolts for everything. So yeah, but I'm super stoked on this. So we're gonna dive into this more, and we're gonna open this up, and yeah, we're gonna start putting some things on. I'm super pumped on this. So alrighty, so I kind of wanted to just pull everything out and show you guys exactly what this kit comes with. And I mean, there is literally a crazy amount of things here. So battery lockdown, battery ground strap, battery tray, fenders, radiator brace, headlights, front grille. You guys get it. I mean, hood catch, hood latch, various brackets, throttle body housing, extras, rear hatch struts, MAF sensors, timing belt cover, engine hook fasteners, stock airbox, intake manifold, valve cover, and then motor mounts. Like, dude, everything you could think of. And I just love that it's all the same anodized blue. And like I showed you guys before, I'm going to be changing the color of this to black to make it clean. But it's the little things like that, man, that really bring things together. And I'm going to try and get some of those, like, you know, more of those here and there. But let's dive into this a little bit more, you guys, and start putting some of this stuff on. But yeah, I just kind of figured I would start back here since I always had it all out right there. So I just wrapped up those few little ones. But yeah, man, I'm stoked on that. And the license plate ones, that looks cool. I think that looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna move to the front and just start tackling everything in the engine bay. Wow, I mean, that's so cool. And I've only done like 12 bolts, and it looks so tight already. Details on details, man. That is so cool. Yeah, man, I'm stoked on this. I'm glad I'm able to get some videos for you guys so you guys can like see it changing. I think that's super cool. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna dive into as much as I can of this and get as much done. and we'll catch back up with you guys when I'm finished. I'm about halfway through, I would say, and I mean, I've gotten quite a bit done, and it's looking dope, you guys. I'm gonna give the car a good old engine bay cleaning after I'm done with all this, but damn, man, that looks so dope. I got a few under the thing, is like under the engine cover as well. I'll just pop that off for you guys. And there you have it. Got a few going under here, not too much, but there's some other ones that I want to get down here as well, over here. And then I'm gonna try and get as much as I can done. But yeah, I just figured I would stop, update you guys a little bit, show you where I'm at. And I mean, dude, it's looking sick. It looks so dope. I seriously love that. I mean, dude, all the details, bro. Like, this is just insane. That is insane. I just threw a couple right here just to spice that up a little bit, make it look like it's OEM. I got that to hold a lot better, y'all. I am so hyped on this. I'm so hyped. So, like I was saying, I still got a few more things coming, but I wanted to push out another video for you guys, and I was just so pumped on getting this engine bay dress-up kit that I wanted to, you know, bust it open and get some of it going onto the car. And I am pumped, y'all. It looks so dope. Stay tuned because I have a lot more coming. I'm not going to go into detail on exactly what is coming, but it's going to spice up the engine bay even more, and I'm stoked. But like I was saying, battery is going to be going in the trunk, and I mentioned that I was going to be getting the turbo outlet pipe. That is happening. It's on its way, as well as a few other things for the car. So I didn't want to go into too much detail, but yeah, overall I am super stoked with how it's looking. I'm gonna try and tackle a little bit more of what I can and can't do, yeah, I don't know, I might end up grabbing some cinematics for you guys, just to kind of do some up close, you know, and give you a little bit more detail on exactly what I finished up and whatnot. But yeah, we'll finish things up, and then we'll grab some cinematics, and then I don't know, we'll just tune in then, probably go for a cruise, do something. Alrighty, that's probably gonna wrap up today's video. Honestly, the weather's not really on my side today, so and I finished up like what I could. Obviously I still have more to do, but I think I'll just tackle the rest of that like when I do like my breaks and whatnot. So again, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in to today's video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, we'll see you guys in the next one. Lots more to come. Peace.